Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver, where we unlock the power of math one problem at a time. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get notification of all our upcoming videos. Now today we dive into a very interesting olympiad math question, that is 2 power 18 minus 1. We will solve this in very easy and simple way. Now, first of all, we will write 2 power 18 minus 1. Then 2 power 18 can also write as 2 power 10 multiply 2 power 8 minus 1. Here we know that 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 3 is 8, 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 is 256, 2 power 9 is 512 and 2 power 10 is 1024. So we will write the value of 2 power 10, that is 1024, multiply by 2 power 8, that is equal to 256. We use these two values here, minus 1. Now we will multiply 1024 and 256 in a very easy and simple way. 6 multiply 4 is 24. 6 multiply 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 6 multiply 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 multiply 1 is 6. 5 multiply 4 is 20. 5 multiply 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 multiply 0 is 0 and 1 is 5 multiply 1 is 5. Now 4 multiply 2 is 8, 2 multiply 2 is 4, 2 multiply 0 is 0 and 2 multiply 1 is 2. So we have 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11 and 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2. So we have 2, 6, 2, 1, 4, 4 minus 1. Then we will get 2, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3. This is the answer of this question. I hope you understand easily how can we solve this. Please subscribe Math Solver and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. We will do next olympiad question for all of you in next video. Allah Hafiz.